Hi, everyone. Welcome to the new edition of this particular YouTube channel. In the last video, we discussed the two best way to use SportyBet for basketball betting strategy, and I promised to make some picks with newly discovered strategy for the double chance betting strategy. This strategy was discovered in the process of getting accurate straight winning betting strategy, and so far, this double chance strategy is converting results of at least 95% accuracy. But before we will decide if to cast this strategy on this particular channel, we will explore a long bet of over 10 odds and conclude based on the outcome. We have over 30 fixtures to predict as double chance. If you're watching this video now and the matches has played already, kindly check the results to confirm the accuracy. Make sure you don't skip any part of the video and watch till the end. Now, with 37 match fixtures, we have our home or draw double chance betting, which we claim to be 95% accurate. And from this, we have our 80 odds. If you want to be having our daily booking codes, kindly join our groups through the group link in the video description and also in the comment section. If you have any question or suggestion, kindly drop in the comment section. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and meet you in the next video. Bye.